Hello everyone, this is SpeakUP. Have you ever wondered how to describe the weather in Filipino? Today, you'll be learning more common Filipino adjectives that you can use to say something about the weather. Try to learn them and surprise some locals. Let's start with Maaraw. This means sunny. Ma-a-raw. Maaraw. 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 Maaraw ngayon. Maaraw po ba? Opo, maaraw po. Maulan is rainy. Ma-u-lan. Maulan. 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 Medyo maulan po ngayon. Oo nga maulan nga. Maulan ba dyan? Hindi po maulan dito. Maalinsangan is hot and humid in English. Ma-a-lin-sa-ngan. Maalinsangan. 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 Maalinsangan dito sa Manila. Maalinsangan ba dyan sa Pilipinas? Hindi naman po maalinsangan. The next word is mainit. This means hot. Ma-i-nit. Mainit. 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 Mainit po ngayon. Oo, mainit talaga. Mainit masyado dito. Malamig is cold. Ma-la-mig. Malamig. 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 Malamig po ba ngayon? Oo, malamig ngayon. Hindi po malamig, mainit po. The last one is Mahangin. This is windy in English. Ma-ha-ngin. Mahangin. 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 Mahangin ba sa labas? Opo, mahangin po. Hindi po mahangin. Medyo mahangin po. These are just some of the common adjectives used to describe the weather in Filipino. Practice them and try using them the next time you meet some locals to talk with. Now, let's practice the words you have learned. This means sunny. Maaraw. This means rainy. Maulan. This means hot and humid. Maalinsangan. This means hot. Mainit. This means cold. Malamig. This means windy. Mahangin. I hope you enjoyed this. Keep watching the next ones to learn new Filipino words. This is SpeakUP. Paalam po.